So today's the day. Got a drone for the channel. Super excited to test it out. Purchased the DJI Mini 2. We picked up the drone yesterday from Costco, and today we're headed out to the park. We're gonna go test out some of its features and fly it around and see what kind of video we can get from it. Now I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what the Costco aerial package comes with. Of course, it comes with your drone, it comes with a controller, it comes with a SIM card, it comes with not only one battery to power this guy, but 2 batteries, and it comes with the carrying case as well. So when unpacking the drone for the first time, the first step you're gonna wanna do is to go ahead and take off this gimbal protector. It's got a little button here on the end. Just gonna go ahead and take it off. It exposes the gimbal. The next thing we're gonna do is on the side here, these are the front legs. We're gonna go ahead and open them up. It's got a little diagram here to just kind of show you how to open this up. Step 1, and then step 2, we're actually gonna fold these guys back here. So this drone weighs 249 grams. The reason why that's important is because if a drone exceeds 249 grams, then you have to go ahead and register it. So the controller's pretty straightforward. It's a great design. Feels nice and sturdy. We have the analog control sticks actually on the bottom here. Just kind of pull them out and attach them. And then the last component you need to fly this drone is actually your phone. After setting up your controller, the next thing you're going to do is power these things on. So in order to power these on, it's a 2-step process. You're going to quick press once and then hold. And you should go ahead and hear an audio notification. Now it's the same thing with the drone. The power button's on the bottom here. It's a quick press and then a hold. Now with the controller turned on, the drone paired, and my phone plugged in, we're ready to fly. Now that we're all done flying, we're gonna put the drone away. The first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and power down. Again, same way as powering on. Quick click, and then hold. Good, just power down. Same way to close and reverse. We're gonna go ahead and close these guys by flipping them. And then just go ahead and pull these ones back in here. And so if you don't have the band to close these up, it's a little bit difficult because these things just hang around. These propellers just keep flying around. Now that I have the propellers in, I'm gonna put the gimbal cover on. So you can see this cover has 2 little prongs on the top. Those 2 go up front. And then you just patch it down in the back like so. Now that your drone's put away, we're gonna proceed with powering down the controller. So same way we powered on, quick click, and then a hold. It'll power down, you'll audibly hear a sound. We're gonna unplug our phone. And these controllers actually have a slot for your cable here, so you'll be able to place it in there nice and neat and out of the way. Good, so now we're all packed up with the DJI Mini 2.